Hey guys, welcome back to your big guy channel. And this video, as the title suggests, 10 important formulas for the beginners. So these formulas are for the beginners. So we'll start from the formula called sum. Probably most of you already know this. You just need to, every formula start with equal sign. So equal sum. You can press tab and then select the range which you need to make total and bracket close. Here, when you go here, bracket close. Okay, that is the formula for sum. That is all. So total comes is 1797. There is another alternative for that is alt equals. That is a little advanced. You can do that too in the same. So next formula is sum if. So this formula is based on condition sum if something is like this, so what should happen? So firstly it's asked for the range. So what is the range? The range which you need to select is where you, what you need to sum, what you need to make total. Okay, that is a range. Then criteria means what particular item or what particular thing you need to make total. So here we will select example mango in this series in the fruits. And the sum range means the numbers, where are the numbers which you need to make total. Okay, so that is the formula of sum if. Hope you understood. Then press enter. That is a total for mango, because the mango is one here 77, mango 77 here, so 154. That's total. Next formula is sum ifs. Sum ifs works is the same. First you need to select here sum range. It's little different in that manner. Then the criteria range. Criteria range is this one. Okay, this is first criteria range because we will be taking two criteria. Here again we can take example of mango since it's my favorite fruit. Now criteria range 2. This is the criteria range 2 is the quality. Now criteria range 2 you can put whatever you want, fresh, old, spoiled, if you want to check out. So here I will see how many good mango we have, so make it total of them. Okay, so this is the formula of sum ifs. You can enter and you can see only 77 because mango here good is left 77. Here the mango quality is spoiled. Okay, next talk about average formula, which is very easy. We talk about average. Okay, then press tab, number 1, number 2, number 3. So directly you can select all of them, bracket close, press enter. So that will be the average of all those numbers in the quantity. Then min and max. Minimum, min means minimum. So which one is the minimum number, the lowest number in that series? Okay, until here, bracket close, enter. So 23 is the lowest number in the series. Then maximum. So you can also check out which is the maximum number in the series here in the quantity. So the maximum number will come automatically 666. Okay, so next go to formula count. Count formula simply counts everything. It can imply to any of those things. Okay, like this you can select the series and it will give you the count. Then here is this a trick count. Okay, I will show you another formula here also count. You do count again. Let's talk about this. Okay, we select this only, close. Here it shows 0, here it shows 11. So basically count function works only for numbers, not for the text. Okay, so that's clear. Now we can count all. Count a works for everything, means count a works for numbers and for also text. Now let's see. Says easy, right? Count a, if you include example, if I put here example number, it will remain the same. And since the number also changed here, you can see that number has changed. Okay, now I will change it again to etc. Next function is count if. There is a condition function count if. Count if it says range, so what range? This is our range for counting. Then criteria, what criteria you wish to put, that is the criteria. Criteria you can, my mistake, let's go one more. Range you can select anything. Okay, so example, I select all of them for example, and here I put mango for instance, and bracket close. So 2 times is the mango is there in that sheet. Okay, next, count ifs. Count if it says criteria range. So first we can take the example of this criteria range, then criteria, what you need to find out from here. Example, we say mango again, comma, now it says criteria range 2. Here we take criteria range 2. Here we need to find out what, example, fresh, bracket close. That is a function of count if. So it gives 0, means mango is fresh, not available. If I change this, example, copy paste, it will change to 1, because mango fresh is 1 available. Okay, that's how count if function works on two criterias. Now the last one we have is vlookup, which is more usual, more famous, most people know about it. Vlookup, first is ask for the lookup value, means what are you looking for. You can either type the name, okay, example, I want to type mango, I'm looking for mango. Then table array, table array is this one, you select it all. Then column index number, it starts from here 1 2 3, because the quantity is in 3, so you will put for 3. Column index number 3. The range you're looking for is true means 0, false means 1, you can put. That is a vlookup. You enter, it says name. Basically I should have put the mango in double quotes. Okay, let's try again. Vlookup, lookup value, example, I put green apple. Table array, table array I will take from here. That's it. Now column index number 3, column 0, bracket close. That is a formula. Enter. So it says the value 24 of green apple. If I change green apple B13 to B7, for example, it says 578. B7 is 578. Okay. So this is how VLOOKUP function works. Additionally, I'm going to give you some shortcut functions, like for date, you can put formula now, bracket open, bracket close. So you see date and time appears here. You can also put the formula of today in case you forget about the date is here. So for date and time, this is the formulas. Also there are shortcut keys. You can press control and semicolon, you will see the date. You press control shift and semicolon, you will see the exact time. Okay, so these are the shortcut keys. Hope you like the video. If you like, share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are multi new videos coming up, because I'm making several videos, and it's all about big for beginners and for advanced also. See you next time. Till then, take care and thank you so much.